Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best TENS unit pads is probably one of the most important factors to consider when choosing a TENS unit for pain relief, as the quality and placement of the pads directly impact the effectiveness of the treatment. This video will guide you through the top picks available on the market, helping you choose the perfect pads for your needs and budget, ensuring you get the most out of your TENS therapy. Number 5. Syrtenty TENS unit pads. These reusable pads are made with high-quality materials for reliable performance. They're latex-free, ensuring comfortable use for everyone. It seamlessly integrates with various muscle stimulators and electrotherapy devices. Enjoy a versatile solution for your needs. The upgraded sticky gel ensures a secure and comfortable fit during each use. Experience reliable adhesion throughout your therapy sessions. These pads are FDA cleared for over-the-counter use, providing you with peace of mind and confidence. They meet high safety and quality standards. With resealable packaging, it maintains its effectiveness and hygiene between uses. Enjoy long-term value and convenience. The non-irritating design ensures a comfortable experience, even during extended use. It's gentle on your skin. It's perfect for muscle stimulation, EMS, and electrotherapy treatments. Experience effective relief and muscle recovery. What we like? It's a great value with 44 reusable pads. If you need a large quantity of pads and prefer latex-free options, this is perfect for you. This ensures you always have replacements on hand for consistent therapy. Number 4. Syrtenty TENS unit pads. These reusable pads are made with high-quality materials for superior performance and long-lasting use. Experience reliable relief and effective therapy sessions. It's designed with your comfort in mind. The latex-free gel ensures a gentle, non-irritating experience, suitable for sensitive skin. They provide a secure and comfortable fit throughout your therapy session. Enjoy reliable contact and consistent stimulation. These pads are compatible with most TENS units on the market. They are easy to attach and use, making your therapy simple and convenient. It has received FDA clearance as an over-the-counter medical device. You can trust its safety and effectiveness for your muscle stimulation needs. The resealable packaging keeps them fresh and clean between uses. This ensures optimal performance and hygiene for every application. They are designed to effectively stimulate muscles for pain relief and muscle rehabilitation. Experience the benefits of electrotherapy with ease. What we like? This also offers 44 reusable, latex-free pads. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable option with a large quantity, this is a smart choice. You'll have plenty of pads for extended use without worrying about irritation. What people say? The quality is great, and the leads work perfect. The connectors fit securely and the pads stick well. These replaceable pads fit and work well with my TENS unit. They adhere perfectly and are durable as advertised. Number 3. AUVON TENS unit pads. Experience the next generation of TENS electrode pads. These pads are designed for superior comfort and performance, enhancing your electrotherapy experience. Get incredible value with our 10-pack of replacement pads. Each pad is flexible, soft, and built to last, ensuring you get the most out of your TENS unit. Rest assured knowing that these pads are CE and RoHS approved. They're made without harmful additives, providing a safe and effective treatment option. These pads are compatible with many popular TENS and EMS units. The standard 2mm connector makes them easy to use with your existing equipment. They're made with a low-impedance gel and upgraded adhesive for superior performance and easy cleanup. Enjoy up to 45 uses per pad. Your purchase includes 10 2x4 pads, a 12-month warranty, technical support, and friendly customer service. We're here to help you every step of the way. What we like? It features larger 2x4 pads designed for longer-lasting use. If you prefer larger coverage and fewer replacements, this is the one for you. The quality ensures you get the most out of your treatments. What people say? These pads are big and cover a large area. They work great and are compatible with your TENS unit. They adhere to your skin nicely. The adhesive is noticeably stronger, which means better contact and a more effective session. I've been using these pads with my AUVON TENS unit, and they're fantastic. The adhesives stick really well and lasts through multiple uses if you take care of them. They're a perfect size for larger muscle areas and come in handy resealable packaging that keeps them fresh. I also love that they're latex-free, so no allergies. Number 2. NURSAL TENS Replacement Pads. These pads use an advanced adhesive for superior stickiness and up to 45 uses. They're also biocompatible, latex-free, and gentle on your skin for a comfortable experience. They work with many top brands of muscle stimulators. Just make sure your device uses the standard 3.5mm snap connectors for a perfect fit. These pads are soft, flexible, and durable. The reusable design and resealable packaging help extend their lifespan. Get fast pain relief without harmful additives or prescription medications. They're easy to use and resist drying out. This pack includes 20 pads in small, medium, and large sizes to target various areas of your body. It's a great value for your money. What we like. This set provides a variety of sizes to target different areas. If you need versatility and strong adhesion for various body parts, this is ideal. The different sizes allow for customized treatment based on your needs. What people say. These pads will only work for the TENS unit that uses cords with snaps at the end, not the plug-in type. Super easy to use and good quality. I have used a lot of different products and these have the best adhesive ever. Love the various sizes and the effectiveness while in use. Convenient and has multiple different sizes. The adhesive lasts very long after several uses. Number 1. AUVON TENS Unit Pads. Experience the convenience and value of our 20-pack replacement pads. These pads are designed to seamlessly integrate with your TENS unit for a comfortable and effective treatment. Get the most out of your TENS unit with this jumbo pack of 20 electrodes. The resealable packaging keeps them fresh and extends their lifespan. They offer reliable adhesion for up to 100 uses and are easy to clean. Plus, they're latex-free and gentle on your skin. It's compatible with most TENS units that use 2mm pin connector lead wires. Enjoy a wide range of applications with this versatile design. This set includes a variety of sizes to perfectly target different areas of your body. Experience a customized and effective massage. You'll receive 20 electrodes in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. We also provide a 12-month warranty and excellent customer support. What we like. This 20-pack offers multiple sizes for a customized fit. If you value variety and long-lasting performance, this is a great option. The different sizes cater to various body parts, maximizing your therapy experience. What people say. Love the various sizes and adhesive of each one. Long-lasting, just tap with a little water to extend the life even longer. Working well, pad adhesive is good, stick to skin well. Do not put lotion or oil on skin. Just clean and dry skin. Connection fit unit as it should. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.